Do you know what is the best sourcing platform in China? The best sourcing platform in China undoubtedly was Alibaba in the past. With its comprehensive and easy-to-use features, Alibaba has helped countless businesses worldwide find their desired products. But now, it's out of date, as more and more buyers are purchasing directly from the source suppliers, and the Chinese can sell through Amazon. So, if you keep working on Alibaba, you will lose against your competitor. Watch this video now and learn how to use the best sourcing platform to grow your business. As you know, Alibaba has been worked almost 20 years. If you still count on these English B2B platforms like Alibaba, Global Sources, and MadeInChina.com, it's not a good idea. More and more foreign buyers built their China sourcing offices and worked with some local sourcing experts to avoid middlemen and scammers on the English B2B platform. Today, we will give you a more powerful sourcing channel. 90% of China trading companies buy from there and then sell to overseas buyers. 100% of Chinese Amazon sellers are buying from there. That's the competitive edge only the Chinese have. Now, you are going to have it. Once you try it, you can lower your cost by about 15 to 30%, which means maybe 100% to 300% profit growth. What is 1688.com sourcing? 1688.com is a giant wholesale, B2B, and dropshipping website in China. This website did 80% B2B transactions. For easier understanding, you can think it's a combination of Alibaba.com and aliexpress.com. You can find products, suppliers, manufacturers, and various service suppliers on 1688.com and buy from them. Just it's Chinese, with no English version. You can consider Alibaba.com as an English version of 1688, but it's not as good as 1688.com. If you are tired of dealing with middlemen, trying to find something new, or want to reach more options, 1688.com is the best place you should miss. You can buy one single piece for sample or personal use. Also, it's more welcome for bulk orders. It's designed for small and medium-sized online business owners to place orders directly to the suppliers. The shopping experience is very similar to Amazon.com. Easy and safe, of course, are not easy and secure as Amazon.com, such as you can't return your product and can't get a refund quickly. Why is 1688.com sourcing important? I know nothing about Chinese. 1688.com is in Chinese, and it means nothing to me. I can't understand anything about it. I can find many English B2B platforms. And there are also trade shows, such as Canton Fair, Global Sources Trade Show, and other trade shows. Yes, that's why. But think about it. Why do you buy from China? Don't you care about the profit? 1688.com give you a much lower price and a much easier sourcing experience. You can reach more direct source manufacturers here, and your order would be safer and quickly get a refund. Interesting. Let me show you why you should buy from 1688.com. Number 1. 15 to 30% cheaper for the same quality, totally the same thing. No Chinese would buy anything from any English B2B platform, including B2B platform. Why? It's the most expensive channel. Trading companies buy from 1688 and sell to you on Alibaba.com, and they can make a 15 to 30% profit. You can save this and turn it into your profit. Number 2. Transparent prices. If you used to buy from Alibaba, you might know the price MOQ on Alibaba, and also any other B2B platform, means nothing. You must contact the suppliers and negotiate with them for the actual price. On 1688.com, any number you see is the accurate price, except if you have something special requirement or larger quantities. Just imagine that you can't compare the price on Alibaba.com. On 1688.com, you can easily compare it. Price means whether the business makes sense or not. Number 3. Avoid middlemen and scammers. Only 0.05% of Chinese can speak English, which means most of China's suppliers don't sell to foreign buyers directly. They don't exist to you. On 1688.com, suppliers don't expect they can make a big profit, as the competition is intense, and most of them are factories or top wholesalers. In this way, You can avoid the export agent or trade company and purchase goods at a lower price. Number 4. More categories and product options. As mentioned, 99.5% of Chinese don't sell directly to foreign buyers. Many of their products won't be exhibited on Alibaba.com or any B2B platform, which means you won't find them in English. New products make a greater profit. If you can reach 10 more categories, you know how much competition you can have for your business. Number 5. More friendly for one single piece and personal use. If you want to buy something for your personal use or in minimal quantities on Alibaba, you may need to persuade your suppliers and you need to talk to them, such as I am trying to give a test with the market. I will bring big orders once it works, or I am asking for a sample for testing. On 1688.com, you just cut off these kinds of talking and you don't even speak with them. Place your order online, then wait for the product. Happy. C. You can start your online business with 5.00 USD. Many suppliers offer drop shipping services, and you can start your business with zero investment. No stock risk. Number 6. Safer for your orders. Alibaba has tried to persuade the suppliers to use trade assurance for so many years. Till today, many suppliers don't want to use them, as it takes too long to get paid, or the suppliers are worried. On 1688.com, almost 100% of orders go through trade assurance. Suppliers are pleased to use it. If anything fails, don't worry, you can return the cargo and ask for your money back. How to use 1688.com to make money. As I've already mentioned, more direct source suppliers on 1688.com offer a very more expansive range of products and services. These products and services give you lots of money-making opportunities, as it's much cheaper, easier, and safer. If you're angling to earn money from 1688.com, but aren't sure where to start, here are several of the best and most realistic ways to consider. Number 1. Wholesale from 1688.com. If you are buying from China before, but with the English B2B platform, you can now find your suppliers from 1688.com. Everything you bought before can be cheaper here. You may combine some orders to just one supplier, or separate one order to 2 or 3 different suppliers. Don't worry, there are many this kind of service provider available. They can consolidate your orders into one big shipment. In this way, you can lower the price and shipping cost. After receiving it, you can resell these products as you did before. As you paid less, your profit would grow. Number 2. Buy from 1688.com and ship to Amazon FBA. Selling things on Amazon is the most popular business model in China. 60% of Shenzhen and Guangzhou trading companies and manufacturers sell on Amazon. The ratio between Chinese sellers and U.S. Amazon sellers reach 50-50. How is it possible? It's effortless to handle. You need to purchase products on 1688.com. Ask their suppliers or freight forwarders to label their products in boxes with the Amazon label, and then ship them directly to Amazon's warehouse. You can send your cargo to the United States Amazon warehouse. You can send them to Europe, Japan, or elsewhere. It's so easy, and once your cargo arrives at Amazon's warehouse, you can start to sell them. You don't need workers at the warehouse. Amazon will help you fulfill the orders and receive the payment. Today you can do it with 1688.com. You can do it better. Find the most potential selling product on 1688.com. Place your orders. Ship to the warehouse. Then wait for the money to come to you. Have the lowest cost and the most categories globally, and you are the winner. Number 3. Dropshipping with 1688.com. As you know, wholesale and Amazon would initially cost lots of money. If you are unsure about the business, you want to move step by step. Okay, 1688.com would support you too. 1688.com offer you the best dropshipping opportunities. Then you can search for any product you want to sell on 1688.com. Get the product info from 1688.com and post it on your online store with a price. Once a client has placed orders with you, you buy them from 1688.com. The suppliers would help you fulfill the orders. Is it easy? Ready to try. Number 4. Sell custom product to your fans. You have many subscribers if you are already someone on a social network. such as a popular blog or social media such as YouTube, Facebook, or Instagram. Then you can find something extraordinary from 1688.com for your fans. And your fans will love you more to share great value and great products with them. Of course, you can't sell anything ordinary or sell them at a fantastic price. But I suggest you can customize some products, and you don't need to know how to do it. Your suppliers will help you do it. Maybe add some logo on it, or add more function. Anyway, it would be a great business opportunity. With 1688.com, it can be a huge success. Number 5. Be a 1688.com agent. If you don't want to invest anything, you don't have any social network, don't worry, and you still have something great to do. If you do it well, you can still have great success. By watching this video, you will learn about 1688.com, China's most powerful and cheapest B2B platform. 99% of foreign buyers don't know, as it's Chinese. Nobody is trying to promote it. You can use this. You can work as a sourcing agent, start a trading company, or start writing your blog with 1688.com sourcing tips. You can set up a website in your language to help people or small businesses in your country buy things on 1688.com, or you can start to compare anything you purchased in your life. We are willing to share how much in China you know if it's worth doing something to get a good profit. That's all from my side about importing products from China. Thanks for your watching. I hope you can benefit from this video. If you still have questions, ask below in the comment section, or you can get in touch with us. If you like the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to subscribe so you won't miss any updates. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.